Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp Introduction to HTML course. We've been talking about web graphics, and in this video I want to do a review of what we learned, and I want to add it to this webgraphics.html document, and I just want to make a few bullet points just to go over it once again with you, and you can type them in. That'll help you remember them, right? So here we go. Alright, we're going to make an unordered list, and we'll make a list item, and let's see, so web graphics, we need to say the image tag, image elements, hold images, and we'll close our list item. Alright, the image element, let's see. Before we close our image element, let's talk about the attributes. So we'll make a nested list. And we will say that an image element the src attribute points to the source of the image. I'll just say on disk for the web. Okay, and then we'll say the, do you guys remember the attribute that lets you describe the image for search engines and for accessibility? Yep, alt. The alt attribute is required and is for describing the image for accessibility and search engines. And guys, if you put a meaningless image on your page for decoration, you still have to say alt equals quote unquote. It's just that's how you do it. Alright, so that's the end of that point. Alright, so we've got the image tag and the two. Alright, and the next point we'll make is there are various image types of images for the web. And we'll make another list, another unordered list, nested, where we will list those types and tell what their strengths and weaknesses are. Let's see. So you guys can help me remember this, right? You're gonna tell me all about it while I'm typing. We have the JPEG format. I'm going to make that bold. I'm going to make it strong. Boop, boop, boop. Yep, we have the JPEG format 5 times. No, we're not going to leave that. Okay, JPEG, GIF, ping SVG. Okay, JPEG is for Joint Photographic Experts Group. I think it's important to remember that because the keyword there is photographic, and it helps you remember what JPEGs are good at. Great for photos. I guess we don't really need to say what everything's bad at. It'll just take up space. GIF is graphic interchange format. You guys remember what that's great at? Flat color, animation, basic transparency. Okay, ping format is newer than GIF. Portable network graphic. It's great for flat color. Advanced transparency, but not animation, right? It's advanced because it has 32 levels of, or yeah, 32 that's not right. It's 256 levels of transparency, so it has a very smooth, you can have semi-transparent pixels, and it's pretty awesome. Oh look, we gotta put a space there. Okay, and then the SVG file format is for scalable vector graphics, and that is good for illustrations like clip art. And these are resizable shapes instead of pixels. And it's XML based. Okay, so those are the various types of images that you might end up with. And let's see, we need to add our other tag on here. li the code, the picture element lets you add more than one version of a picture for different types of displays. Okay, we will close li. Alright, that seems about right. That's a good review. Let's save that. Let's see what it looks like, and then we'll check and make sure it's valid. Okay, so image elements hold images. The source attribute points to the source of the image on disk or on the web. The alt attribute is required and is for describing the image for accessibility in search engines. There are various types of images for the web. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group, great for photos. GIF, graphic interchange format, flat color, animation, basic transparency. Got some capitalization issues there. I guess it doesn't matter. Ping, portable network graphic, flat color, advanced transparency. SVG, scalable vector graphic, illustrations, clip art, resizable shapes instead of pixels, XML based, and the picture element lets you add more than one version of a picture for different types of displays. Fantastic. All right, let's select all, copy, and go to our validator. And we will validate by it doesn't want to do it. Validator.w3.org. Okay, and we're going to validate by direct input. We'll paste it and check it. Okay, and we got green. Document checking completed. No errors, no warnings to show. So we're good to go. That's your review of the section of about web graphics from the Introduction to HTML course. Thank you.